Yikes. Look how dirty that is. Ugh. This horn, trombone players, they're notoriously dirty. So this horn is no exception, I'm sure. And I can tell by that really dirty song that just didn't sound right from Trombone Timo. Let's check out the action of the slide. Yikes. We need to clean this sucker up. Whoa, look at this. Now look at this bell. What happened there? Do you have an answer? Okay. No. Oh my God, this mouthpiece. What is with all the tarnish? I'm going to put this mouthpiece in, which I already did, and I'm going to unscrew this lead pipe if I can. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Looks okay, but we're going to keep it out for the cleaning. All right, let's hang this up here, and then get this mouthpiece that's now stuck in the lead pipe. All right. I really I'm not a fan of this mouthpiece puller, but let's see if it'll work. There it goes. Let's go over to the dunk tank and start with the slide, lead pipe, and mouthpiece. I just mixed up some new solution right here. Smells good. This is just the gentle degreaser to start the cleaning process. Let's take this. There we go. She is so patient and good. Look at that face. That's Stella. And she's no longer depressed because her spay has been over for a year. What do you think, Stella? Let's do this. Clean this grody ass mouthpiece out. It's actually not as bad as it was before, anyway. Why don't you want this gold plated? I'll gold plate it. See where the change of color is right there? That is where the tape is going to go, up to here. Just plates inside the cup and through the bore. The most important part is actually the bore on the inside. And I'm just going to finish the center. Look like a mummy in blue. And that's electro cleaning solution. Good stuff. I always wear a mask, safety first. Hello everyone. Old anode right here. Hook this up. See it turn in gold? There you go. Yeah. It'll play better too. While the slide's in the degreaser, let's get this ready so it can go into the degreaser. Oh, look at all this gunk coming off. First, back bearing cover. Let's check the alignment while we have it. Pretty damn good. Oh, and of course it has to be an Allen wrench. Very nice. There we go. Look how dirty that is. Let's go check on the slide over on the soup. I'm a professional trumpet player, so I had to make a product without wax so it actually soaks in and works. I've been searching the world for lip balms that have no wax because wax is a barrier. So my experiment is to show you that wax is a barrier. So we have chapstick, which has wax in it, Burt's Bees, which has wax in it, recovery stick, and lip quench stick. So what I did is I saturated each one of these sponges with their product that's behind it. What I'm going to do is take a little food colored water and pour it onto the sponges and see which absorbs. This experiment just proves that wax is a barrier because wax did not allow any of the food coloring to soak in. See, look at that. It just dumps off. And Robinson's Remedies has no wax, so it was able to soak in. Hence, good ingredients can soak into your lips. Boy, the valves are awful. I'm going to have to do another repair on this horn. It's got a broken brace. Ooh, look at that. Yikes. All right, getting ready for this. Let's get this slide cooking. Nothing really too bad can come out of there. Oh yeah, well, that won't be too bad. Get this nice and soaked up. Gotta get my drill. Ooh, I can see it's a little dirty. Ooh. All right, let's do a double pass. What do you say? Pass number 2. Ooh, look at that. Really clean now. See my teeth? They need to get clean too. You can see that the green did get out of there. So let's finish getting the slides nice and clean. Nice. And I am willing to bet that this is going to work pretty good. Remember how it sounded before? The slides are very, very clean on the inside. Looks so much better. So much better. Looks great on the inside. It shines like a gun barrel. That's what it should look like. Nice and shiny. Wiping it down, getting all the spots off. Sure is pretty. I will give it a final polish once I take the dents out. Wow, look at that. Looks great. Now look how much cleaner that looks than it did before. See the alignment? Perfect. Open, closed, open, closed. The funnest part of the whole thing, dent time. I wonder if this tool would work. It should. It's designed for, different curved tubing, like on French horn slides and stuff like that. So now it's time to go over there and anneal the bell with a small torch. And I've gotten an awful lot of hate for this small torch, but I'll tell you what, for those haters, this small torch video is sponsored by no one. Just me, because I'm Robinson's Remedies. Lip Renew. I can see it starting to change color, so don't want to go too much. Don't want to burn the lacquer. Ah, it's right at the dent. Let's see if we can watch this dent vanish. There goes the dent, see? It's looking a little better. It's pretty smoothed out. There it goes. That was a nasty one in a nasty place. All right, so we are going to get these dents, starting with this. It's improving. You want to try to get all the high spots. Then, oh, look at that. Take a look. Oh, that's looking a million times better. Wow. I'm trying to round this nice because I can feel the out of roundness. It looks better, it feels better. Now I have to put a little bit around the threads so they don't seize up. Slide. I don't like that. Even works smoother than before. Nice. I have to say, I'm pretty happy with this. What do you think, Ruby and Stella? You look bored. One more thing. Let's polish it. Just spray it with some polish. Really make it gleam. This trombone is resurrected, restored. Kenny the Restorer. I think that trombone's going to play a lot cleaner. What do you think? What do you think, Ruby and Stella? Oh, you got a toy. That means yes. All right.